Hello students, let us learn general science from the book Science Squad for class 5. Let us learn the chapter 5, How do animals survive? In this chapter, we shall discuss the various ways by which the animals survive or protect themselves. Let us begin the chapter. Every living creature or living organisms wants to perform all the functions that makes it fit for the survival. They undergo certain development or changes in the body for their adaptations. Animals have developed sense organs with which they can sense the surroundings. There is always a danger of enemies for animals. Bigger animals prey upon smaller animals. There are some animals which eat up the eggs of other animals. Hence, they need to develop different ways of protecting themselves from their enemies. Let us discuss how they protect from their enemies. Every animal adapt themselves to the environment to protect from their enemies. More faster the animals, more easily they can escape from their enemies. It includes mimicry, protective organs, huge size, large number, migration, hibernation. Let us discuss these ways of survival. Mimicry. It is a defense tactics by which the animals blend their appearance with their surroundings to escape from their enemies. Generally, prey undergo mimicry to protect itself from the predator or hunter animal. Sometimes, hunting animals also hide and attack. Many insects can hide by looking like leaves or sticks. The image shows insects being mimicry by sticks. Many butterflies look like flowers, barks, etc. The picture shows butterfly camouflaged with bark. The chameleon changes its color to hide from enemies. The picture shows chameleon camouflaged with the leaves. Many spiders undergo mimicry to catch its prey. Let us learn how protective organs help the plant animals to survive. The organs which help the animals to escape from their enemies are known as protective organs. Cows and deer protect themselves from their enemies with the help of sharp pointed horns. Smaller insects such as spider, mosquito, ticks, bugs, bees, etc. stinges which act as a protective organs to escape from their enemies. Snakes, the poison acts as a protective organs. Snakes possess poisonous teeth which act as a protective organs. Turtles have hard covering over the body which helps them to protect themselves from their enemies. Some animals use their teeth or beak and sharp claws for their defense. Let us see how huge size and large number helps in protecting from enemies. Some animals like elephants, rhinos and whales are very big in nature that they can neither be eaten up nor being attacked by any other animals easily. They always seen in groups and adults protects the younger ones. Migration. Let us see how migration helps the animals for their survival. Mass movement of some animals like insects, birds and fishes from one place to another place in search of food, shelter or reproduction is called migration. Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic pole, that is North Pole, to the Antarctic pole, which is the South Pole, and back flying thousands of kilometers. They migrate to protect themselves. Some birds visit over plains during winter seasons. It includes spoonbills, waterfowls, ducks, turkeys, etc. Siberian cranes come to India to avoid extreme cold weather and return back to Siberia upon favorable condition. Summer birds such as koel and sand grouse etc. move to Ghana Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur in Rajasthan. Eels, which are snakes-like fish, are generally lives in fresh water or river water. These fishes travel to sea, that is salty water, to lay eggs. After the eggs hatches, the parent eel die and the young fish return back to the freshwater. Hibernation. Some animals cannot tolerate extreme cold and hence hide themselves in warmer places to undergo for winter sleep. This is known as hibernation. During this period, they undergo adaptive measures such as reduce in body temperature, slower in the heartbeat, breathing rate, and metabolism. They eat sufficient food during the summer and store it as body fat for the winter use. Example, hedgehog, frog, tortoise, bats, polar bear, squirrels, and mice. Extinct and endangered animals. Though animals have developed several means to protect themselves, they always face danger of death. Many years ago, dinosaurs lived on Earth. We call them extinct animals. This is because it does not exist now. They died because they could not adjust to their changing surroundings or environment. Today, there are many animals facing danger of becoming extinct. Examples: tiger, great Indian bustard, rhinos, tuskers, dolphins, and many birds. These animals and birds are known as endangered animals and birds. The major cause of the endangered organisms include deforestation, pollution, poaching, etc. by human beings. There is no natural shelters and food for wild animals because of deforestation. The pollution causes imbalance in the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Poaching disturbs the interdependence of plants and animals. Hence, it is responsible for mankind to take care and protect animals and plants. Let us go for the chapter recap. Animals protect themselves in different ways such as hibernation, migration, mimicry, etc. Some animals mimic for survival while others migrate or hibernate to withstand the cold condition. Some animals use stings, horns, claws, teeth, and beaks as weapons for defense. Many species of animals have become extinct, whereas others are endangered. We should protect the animals. This ends the chapter 5.